Sons. This is Shannon. How may I help you?
Hey Shannon, this is Brandon. How you doing this morning?
Good. How are you?
Well, great. Hey, thanks for asking. Hey, listen, I'm sure you're probably super busy over there, and I don't want to waste a ton of your time, but I actually put together a short custom video for Alberti and Sons Plumbing. Just shows you guys a few tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence, and I was just looking for the best email to send that over to.
That would be admin, ADMIN, at albertiplumbing.com.
albertiplumbing.com. And are you the one that takes a look at these videos?
It would be Chris, but he's out of the country right now.
Chris is going to be the one, and he's out of the country.
Yeah.
Perfect. Do you know when he gets back? So I don't. Usually, what I do is I just ask for a line of feedback to let me know if I'm actually making a difference and not wasting people's time. Do you know when he might be back?
Monday.
Perfect. Well, I'll make sure I won't reach out for any feedback, and at least till Monday.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, dear. Take care.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, you've reached Tony from Advanced Piping. Your call is important to us.
Universal Heating.
Hey, good morning. This is Brandon. How are we doing this morning?
Good. How are you?
Well, very good. Hey, thanks for asking. Hey, listen, I don't want to waste a ton of your time because I'm sure you guys are probably super busy over there, but I actually put together a short custom video for Universal Heating showing you guys a few tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence, and I was just looking for the best email I could send that over to.
Oh, I don't have an email. Chad does, but I don't have his email. He's on the other line. You could try back.
Okay, I know I have one on the website there. I was just calling to make sure that was the best one. Do you know?
Oh, yeah, that's it, probably.
ChadHaskins@gmail.com?
Yeah.
Perfect. And your name was?
Mary.
Mary. So, Mary, when I send these videos out, the only thing I'm looking for in return is just a line of feedback to let me know if this video was able to help your business out at all. Do you think you could do that?
Oh, I don't know. I'm not the person to speak with. Chad is not me. I'm not the one.
Okay, you just answer phones, huh?
Yeah.
Well, that's okay. That's less stress that way.
Okay, I have somebody on hold, but you can send it to him.
All right, I'll send it to that email, Mary. I appreciate your time.
All right.
All right, bye-bye now.
All right, thanks. Bye-bye. Thank you for choosing Staffing Auto Plumbing. No one is in the office at this time. Reliable Plumbing, can I help you?
Hey, good morning. This is Brandon calling. How are you doing?
Okay, how can I help you?
Well, good. So I'm sure you're probably super busy over there, so I don't want to waste a ton of your time, but I actually put together a short custom video for you guys over there at Reliable Plumbing and Sewer. Just shows you a few things you can do with your website to increase some business, and I was just looking for the best email to send that over to.
Well, it's right on the website. If you saw the website.
Yeah, I was just calling to make sure that, one, you actually wanted to accept the video, and two, that email was correct.
That's the correct email.
Okay, and your name was?
Yep. Thank you.
And what was your name? Well, that's going to be a solid one.
Power Plumbing.
Hey, good morning. This is Brandon. How you doing this morning?
Good. How are you?
Well, very good. Hey, thanks for asking. Hey, listen, I'm sure you guys are super busy over there, and I don't want to waste a ton of your time, but I actually put together a short custom video for Power Plumbing. Shows you a few tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence, and I was just looking for the best email to send that over to.
Power at powerplumbinginc.com.
Power@powerplumbinginc.com.
Correct.
Perfect. And your name was?
Robin.
Robin. And Robin, do you take a look at these videos?
No, I'm not the one that does stuff with marketing and stuff like that. That would be Ray or Paul.
Ray or Paul? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So typically, Robin, the only thing I ask for in return is that, once you watch the video, if you could just send me a line of feedback and let me know if this video was able to help the business out in any way, just so I know if I can make some tweaks or, change some things up to make sure I'm not wasting anybody's time. You think Ray and Paul might be able to do that?
I have no idea.
You just answering the phone,
no
right?
idea. Yeah, I can't make promises for them,
No, that's okay.
But I'll let them know.
I appreciate it much, Robin.
I'll
Take
tell
care.
them that it's coming, okay?
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye
No
now.
problem. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Your call has been forwarded to the voicemail.
Hi, you've reached Anderson Plumbing.
Rider Plumbing, how can I help you?
Hey, good morning. This is Brandon calling. How are you doing?
Good, Brandon. How are you?
Good. Hey, thanks for asking. Hey, listen, I'm probably sure you're pretty busy over there, and I don't want to waste a ton of your time, but I put together a short custom video for Right Away Plumbing. Just goes over a few things you can do with your website to increase your online presence, and I was just looking for the best email to send it over to.
You can send it to Right Away Chicago at gmail.com.
RightAwayChicago@gmail.com.
Mm-hmm.
And what was your name?
Rita, R-I-T-A.
And Rita, do you watch the video when I send it over?
I can watch it if you send it, yes.
Perfect. Well, I'll send it over this.
I didn't watch it, so...
No, I didn't send it over yet, but I'll send it over this
Okay.
afternoon. And in the subject line, it'll just say Brandon's custom video for Rita. And the only thing I ask for in return, Rita, is if you could just send me a line of feedback and let me know if this video was able to help your business out in any way. Do you think you could do that?
Perfect, yes, you got it.
All right. Thanks, Rita. I appreciate it. You have a good rest of the day.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye now. Hello?
Good morning, Bruce and Sons. Nadia speaking. May I help you?
You say Nadia?
Yes,
Hey, Nadia. This is Brandon. How you doing this morning?
I'm good. How are you, Brandon?
Well, very good. Hey, thanks for asking. Well, listen, Nadia, I'm sure you're probably super busy over there, and I don't want to waste a ton of your time, but I actually put together a short custom video for Burris & Sons. and just shows you a few things you can do with your website to increase some business. I was just looking for the best email to send that over to.
You've reached the message center, and be happy to gather your information for a return call.
You don't have an email I could get this video over to?
No, sir, I do not.
So I know
But
there's
I
an
can get you a call back.
yeah, I know there's an email on the on your website, thegreatburris@sbcglobal.net. I just wasn't sure if that was the best email to send things to.
Well, I will go ahead and try that, as I do not have that information for you right now.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, so you don't receive the emails then, and you probably won't be the one watching the video?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you know who probably would?
Nope, I do not have that information.
You just answer the phones and keep people happy, right?
Yes, sir. I'm just a message center.
No worries. Take care, Nadia. I appreciate it. You have a good rest of the day.
You too.
Bye-bye now.
Bye.